This is the Amasaman Abehenease to COCOBOD road, and it has been constructed. And I've said that the Member of Parliament for this area, Honorable Efifa Mensah, the Ghana West Municipal Chief Executive, Honorable Clement Wilkinson, and the government of Ghana, including the road ministry, are doing a good yeoman's job in Ghana West Municipality. I mean, no government has ever come that a lot of access roads within the Ghana West Municipality, Amasaman, and its surrounding communities or adjoining communities have been done than this administration, and they have done well, and we need to give them thumbs up. So this is the COCOBOD road at Abehenease that leads to COCOBOD. This road used to be very dusty. About a year ago I came here and it's a debacle, but now it is in a very good and very wonderful condition. So we are live here. It's the Ben Archer TV, and we are bringing you this live update from the COCOBOD Abehenease road. And as you can see, it is what it is. A lot of construction ongoing here, and you can see speed ramps being erected there. The speed ramps being constructed by the contractor. And one notable thing I saw here is the way the vehicles have taken advantage of that to overspeed on this stretch. It's a worry. It's a worry. Overspeeding is a worry, and we expect the road contractors to finish up the pavement works very fast so that we can curtail every misfortune on this road. So you can see this super track, the way it's just it's paired off. We should check out that on the stretch. So this is a short update I brought you live on the Ben Archer TV channel. My name is Ben Archer. Continue to enjoy the rest of the footages. Thank you. I heard you, man. Me dane me kana petrol no ka biga o mesin me nimisi me petrol na asa me ba onya wetera esi me chapa one de amoya sako kwa we na say ye ama cha dodo ese ba na nkoma ye dai I'm a baby, I petrol on the baby. I saw one. I saw one. I took quite a COCOBOD, quite no. Go out, quite a new. Quite a yado. Am I about now? Yado.